Hello. Some stormy weather heading our way at the weekend. For the time being, well, conditions couldn't be more different out there today. It's high pressure controlling things, meaning the winds are a lot lighter than yesterday, so it's nothing like as cold. A dry, bright day for many. A few stubborn fog patches, and that fog will thicken up again overnight. Here's the area of high pressure dominating, keeping things dry and, as I said, much lighter winds. There are a few more isobars across northern Scotland, a bit of a breeze blowing here, and the cloud at times thick enough for a few light showers over the far north of the mainland through the Western Isles and the Northern Isles. But for the vast majority, it is dry, fairly cloudy skies, any sunshine fairly hazy, and there are some stubborn mist and fog patches which will linger right throughout the afternoon. Temperature-wise, well, generally about average for the time of year. We're looking at 7, 8, 9 Celsius. Similar temperatures to yesterday, but it feels so much milder because the winds are that much lighter. Quite quickly, though, those temperatures will be falling away again this evening, and the mist and the fog is likely to thicken up once more, particularly across parts of the Midlands, Wales and southern counties of England. Further north, there'll again be a bit more of a breeze, some cloudier skies here, and notice that blue hue on the chart. Again, especially in rural areas, there will be frost, whereas most towns and cities will just about stay above freezing. Nevertheless, a chilly start to Thursday, and there will be some fog around across parts of the south in particular through that morning rush hour, so just be aware of that. Generally, it's another dry, bright day. Again, there'll be a lot of high cloud around, so the sunshine will be fairly hazy when it comes through. A bit more of a breeze picking up around parts of the west coast. Again, those temperatures 7, 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. And a little change again on Thursday evening. The high pressure is still in control, keeping things fine and dry with mostly light winds. But notice behind me there is well, just some thickening clouds and the approach of a little bit of rain. That is a weather front. It's not this one, and it's not this one we're keeping an eye on for the weekend. It's developments out in the Atlantic, and in fact, across the eastern seaboard of the United States. This low gets picked up by a really active jet stream and powers its way across the UK, arriving this weekend. Look at the isobars on that chart. It's going to get very, very windy through the second half of the weekend in particular. We already have a warning in force for the strength of that wind. Make sure you stay up to date with the very latest. As I said, stormy conditions heading our way this weekend. Best way to do that is to follow us on social media.